Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 24th June 2024. The Securities and Exchange Board of India is probing Quant Mutual Fund, one of the country's fastest growing asset managers, for alleged front-running and illegal practice of trading in stocks based on privileged information. The capital markets regulator, as part of its investigation, has conducted search and seizure operations in Quant's head office in Mumbai and at the address of the suspected beneficiaries in Hyderabad. Sellers, brands and some restaurants operating across online commerce platforms expect to see cash flow benefits from a recommended reduction in tax collected at source made by the Goods and Service Tax Council. The Council on Saturday recommended that the TCS collected by electronic commerce operators, which include platforms operating in segments in e-commerce, quick commerce and food delivery, be reduced from 1% to 0.5%. Canada's Brookfield Asset Management Inc. is aiming to more than triple investments in India's renewable energy sector to over $10 billion in the next 3 to 4 years. It's also looking at acquisitions in the segment besides exploring opportunities in electric vehicles and green hydrogen. Brookfield is the second largest investor in India's green energy assets. The Reserve Bank of India's gold reserves parked overseas have dropped to a 6-year low, with 47% of the total at the end of March. The RBI started bringing gold to India in March 2022, coinciding with the Russia-Ukraine war. This follows a global trend of central banks becoming cautious after the US government froze Russian foreign currency assets. Hinduja Group, the winning bidder for Reliance Capital, is reworking its fundraising plan to raise Rs 7,500 crore from domestic and overseas private credit funds at 15%. The Reserve Bank of India seized control of Anil Ambani-owned Reliance Capital due to governance concerns. Nageshwara Rao Y was appointed as the administrator. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.